Well, hello. This is Robert Heffernan with Endotech, and this is Blockchain Vitals. It's our weekly segment. Everybody was working for the weekend. The weekend is here, come and gone in Asia as it's already Monday morning. Good morning in Asia. And we need to talk about this weekly fractal that has just rolled. And let's do that. Let's do the rounds first. Doing the rounds is my chance to talk about something I'm seeing in the space, maybe a headline, maybe a tweet, and I don't need to even bring it up here, the tweet or anything. But the big news for me last week was the XLM Stellar Network burning of a fair amount of the coins. Anyway, basic economics. I was an econ minor. Supply and demand. You take away supply, it's going to have a cost long term on the price. It's going to have an impact on the price anyways. But, and obviously, the less of something there is, the more value or more valuable what is left must have. It's kind of a no-brainer. Anyway, I did buy some XLM. We're gonna take the vitals here and talk about this weekly fractal. And I want to spend, a bit of time because I cannot recall, now I might be wrong, but I cannot recall on the crosses, these, especially the top 7 here against Bitcoin, and where they are on the weekly chart from a momentum standpoint. Very intriguing to see. And again, like I said, I don't remember seeing quite this setup, this pronounced on the crosses. And we're going to get into that in the vitals. So let's do that. Let's take the vitals. Taking the vitals, my chance to actually talk about real price discovery. And you know what real price discovery gives you? It gives you the at the moment value of anything. And so I love hearing people say that Bitcoin is going to be worth $1 million. That's great. My grandfather used to say, wish in one hand and pee in the other, see which one fills up first. All I'm telling you is that as a trader of 3 decades of experience, Bitcoin never goes to $1 million while it cannot find its way out of lower momentum. All right, it's a rule of physics and numbers. Anyways, let's talk price discovery and what is going on. A little bit of rally here. As I had said on the weekend segment, it was very important that we didn't just crap out and settle back into low momentum on the weekly. Now, they went down towards there on Friday and Saturday, remained around the lows. Got a little pop on Sunday. And right now, Bitcoin trading 9,063.90 last. 9,063.90 last. Last week, that lower momentum number was 8,554. This week it comes in at 8,494. So please keep an eye on that. For sure, you don't want to see this thing melt down and close in lower momentum this week below that level, 84.94. Weekly average 92.94. Up momentum up down at 10,094. So you see the type of wood we need to chop to start talking longer term momentum in the positive direction. All right, that weekly up momentum level at 10,094. Not like it's not attainable, but we haven't spent very much time lately above that 10,000, make it a 10,100 level. And that's what I'm looking for on strength. I'm actually long cryptos, and as we're going to talk here, I'm long more of the others than Bitcoin because of what they look like on these crosses. Anyway, let's run through them here quickly before we talk about those cross levels. Ether trading 190.02. Weekly up mo for Ether 192.68. Now you can already see on these individual charts what better positions a lot of these are in than Bitcoin is, and that's going to lead right into what these cross charts look like. XRP trading 28.03. Up momentum 28.95. Litecoin trading 63.89. It's right at its average, weekly average 63.46, so just above it. EOS trading a 359. Weekly average at 338 for EOS. Weekly up momentum 371. Definitely within striking distance. BNB trading 2037. Weekly average at 2021, up momentum 23.18. XLM, as we talked about earlier with the burning of the coins, 0788 last, 0788. Weekly up momentum 0711, so firmly in weekly up mo. XLM starting the week off in up momentum on the weekly. And last of the top 8, Tron trading 0193, up momentum on the weekly, and Tron 0187. So as you can see, a lot of these coins flirting with and or in up momentum on the weekly, and Bitcoin struggling just to find its average, 92.94 again, the weekly average in Bitcoin. And when you look at the crosses, Ether right near its upmo level against Bitcoin, 0213, and right now Ether BTC is trading 0209, so knocking on that door. XRP, not so much. It's on these crosses now. Mine, I'm going to give you the zeros and then the number, right? 4 zeros, 3279 for XRP against Bitcoin, and you need 4 zeros. 3087 is upmo. Oh no, I checked that out. No. 3279. It's trading 3087. Litecoin right now against BTC, 2 zeros, 7059. It's knocking on that up momentum door, 7086. 2 zeros, 7086. Now EOS, XLM, and Tron all trading in up momentum on the weekly versus Bitcoin. All right. So EOS 3 zeros, 3843 is the level right now, trading 3 zeros, 3961. XLM and XRP are both 5 zeros, and the level to be trading above for XLM is 5 zeros, 7730, and it's trading 8890. Tron 5 zeros, 205, and it's trading 214. So you can see it on the outrights against the dollar that these coins that are in up momentum against Bitcoin on the weekly are also in up momentum for the most part versus the dollar. So for me, longer term, I think there's just a little bit better play in a few of these other coins rather than Bitcoin. And I would rather make more money than less money. And that's why I look at the crosses and distribute my crypto holdings appropriately. All right, that's what I'm seeing. Please be disciplined, trade disciplined, mind the mo. And I will see you midweek for a midweek update. Until then, please do it as I say, not as I do. All right, thank you so much.